All right, so it's been a week, exactly a week, since I started learning how to sew or trying to learn how to sew. First thing I did was I learned how to tie knots, starting and finishing. Uh, and that's what this whole thing is here. It looks chaotic. But then I tried to get some control over that chaos on this next try here. And look at that, like, look how tight and orderly that is. Like, that's just like professional, you know? Um, and then afterward, I sewed a button. And not only did I sew this button, but I made it functional. Check that out. I went the extra mile. Like, this button closes up this sock. Like, pretty sweet, huh? And then I did a slip stitch right there, and we can just ignore that. And just a few minutes ago, I finished up doing a blind hem stitch, and you can kind of see that here with these little red tracks. What so what's going on here is on the wrong side, which is the inner side, you can see the hemming here, and this is where a lot of the stitching is. But on the right side, which is the one that faces the world on the garment, there's very little evidence of the stitching, and if this were the same color as the garment, it would basically be invisible. So there it is. That's my week's worth of learning. And now it's on to the real deal, which is me trying to hem my own shirts. And that's the whole reason why I'm doing this in the first place, because I'm trying to save a few bucks because I'm poor.